from Cupcakes, Pearls, and Lace, and I'm here to show y'all my finished project that was a collaboration between Oohlala Vintage Treasures, Bird and Barn Designs, and RedHillFiber. So Oohlala Vintage Treasures sent everyone in the design team two boxes. One was a cigar box and the other was a little treasure box. Y'all can look on one of my past videos and see the unboxing and all of the beautiful stuff that Doreen sent. And then Bird and Barn Designs sent RedHillFiber lace bobbins. So RedHillFiber made all of these wooden bobbins, and they were sent to us through Bird and Barn Designs to Doreen, who then sent them to us and challenged each one of us to decorate them and to then present how we did it. And that's what I am showing y'all today. So I did decorate the cigar box with all of the stuff that Oohlala Vintage Treasures Doreen sent. So I just want to show y'all that. And I will get back to this later and explain what I did. But I've got bobbin feet wrapped with Oohlala Vintage Treasures digitals. And I've got some ruffles here. A little underskirt of paper doily that Doreen sent. And ruffles, beautiful fabric here, and some more ruffles and a gorgeous applique. All right, let me go through this first. All right, so 6 bobbins, 3 the same and the other 3 the same. So 2 different kinds here I've got. Y'all can see they are really large bobbins. And I'll show y'all what I did. I have lace on them pinned with little pins there, wrapped with lace. I'll show y'all each one. And the front and back just a little bit different. Again, I used Oohlala Vintage Treasures digitals, and I've got some lace up underneath. Did some collaging, got some glamour dust on there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I wanted each one to be super special. This is going to be displayed in my craft room. I know exactly where, so I did it, you know, decorated in such a way that, you know, that's where I wanted it to be. Got some rhinestones here at the bottom and some more collaging. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And each one of these lace holders, I did use chalk paint and then roughed it up a little bit with some sandpaper. And again, some glamour dust, some collaging. And I added some dangles over here. Oh, a little piece fell out there. And these are the pink parfait digitals that I used for these. Just love it. And the last one. Okay, and in here I've got just some little pretties that Doreen sent that I just like to look at that I won't use for a while, which is why I have this set up the way that I do, because I plan to never ever use this on any of my projects that I'm going to sell or give away even. That's something for me. It's just some stuff that I've never seen before that I want to always have. And anyway, I've got Oop. Oh no. That's stuck. There we go. Piece of glue. Don't you just love when that happens? There we go. So all of that I had lined with just some really pretty pieces of doily and fabric that Doreen had sent. And I did line it. This is glued down, just this pretty little piece of fabric. Now, as y'all can see, I have made this back to where it will not flip down. It's going to permanently stand up. Thanks to Amy Love, I stole that idea from her. She and I were crafting together, and she did hers like that. And I thought, oh my goodness, how great would that be to be able to stand and then just be able to see it at all times. I mean, I don't want to close it again. I don't want to close up these pretty bobbins. I want them on display, and I want that on display. So, I took again, if y'all would look at my past video of the unboxing, this is a bunch of different layers of stuff that Doreen sent. This pink flower I have never seen before. And she said that she cut each individual one out, so I'll probably never see one again. So I kept this pink flower, got an applique here, pieces of fabric here, doily, more applique, and then that beautiful brooch. And some ruffles up underneath here. And I did make this detachable. Y'all can see this is not glued down. So I thought, you know, I could slide it on, slide it off, change it up if ever I wanted to. I won't want to. And then I just didn't like the way that the rose hung. It was sloping down just a little bit too much for my happiness. So I did glue it. That way it would be erect, upright at all times. And I just love it, and I can't wait to give it its new home. Now that I am finished with the video, I can do that. So I am going to get off of here, bid y'all adieu, and I probably didn't even say that right, but that's okay. Y'all know what I mean. And I am going to go set up my new pretty. I'm going to put these back in here just so y'all can see all of these. Even without the lace, they're lace holders. Ladies, most of y'all that watch these videos that do this kind of stuff, y'all know we have the lace. And I can always use more lace storage for sure. Anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed that, and I hope that it inspired you, and we'll talk again real soon. Bye.